How to browse effects on Instagram. First thing first, go ahead and open up Instagram application. And once you open it up, the next thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and access your story settings. You can do that by swiping right on your screen, which will open up your camera. So just swipe right, and once your camera is open, what you need to do is you'll see all of your saved effects on the right here. And on the right, you can find different kind of effects. So in order to browse through effects, you just have to scroll all the way to the right until you find this magnifying glass where it says browse effect. Tap on it, and once you tap on browse effects, here you should be able to see different kind of effects. Now this kind of pop-up will be shown on your screen, and if you want to search for any particular effect, so let's say if I just want to search for a dog filter, here I'll be able to find these kind of effects. And you can see different kind of effects based on their trending, appearances, aesthetics, games, humor, and many more. And that's how you browse effects on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.